Welcome back. This is video. We've already configured static routing. To verify that, I'm going to go ahead and ping from PC LAN, PC3, and it's successful. So first thing we need to do is we're going to go in and remove the routes one at a time. So we'll start off with Zippy here. I'm just going to do config T and do show run. Verify I have right there. Okay. So you can copy that and do no, but it's easier and quicker here. So we're going to do zip first. It didn't bark at us, so it went in. I'm going to do eagle next, but I need to make sure that I change the interface because it's 0, 0, not 1, 0. So this one was 1, 0. This is going to be the out of 0, 0. Do a quick do show run. So it would be right here. So it's removed. Let's go to ISP. It's got the most routes. And then go ahead and paste. Quick do show run. Okay, so I have no static routing, and if I try to ping now, it will fail. And I do fire 1, fire 2, fire 3. So it's never going to ping because we've lost all routing capabilities. So now if we look at our networks, so the way you define this router OSPF, this is your autonomous number. It's for local significance. Log adjacent changes means anything happens. And then here's our network. But notice the subnet mask is completely reversed. It was 255, 255, 255, 252. And so this network is going to be a wildcard of 003255. That was 255, 255, 252, 0, and 001255 is 255, 255, 254, 0. And everything's going to be area 0. We're doing all single area. So we'll just go ahead and copy this. Now they're sharing directly connected networks. Notice we're going to share the 4, and then these over here, 2540 and 2544, or 172.2544. So what I want to do though is just bring up real quick my WAN links. So we'll go here to Zippy, paste, press enter. So it didn't bark at me at all. Let's do ISP. Now let's get the, we want 4, so it's the first one here. Okay, paste. I'm going to do this in simulation mode so you can kind of see all the traffic that's going to be flying around. So wait a minute, which one am I doing? I lost track. Okay, ISP, the WAN link. So paste. So watch over here. Let me see the OSPF. If we go in here, we can look at, it's an hello packet at 224.0.0.5. We'll all be in the reading. It's important to look at those. So now it's sending out what we call LSAs, and it's flooding the networks to green. All right, so we'll go back. Now I'm going to click. It takes a while for it to send all these out and negotiate. So I hit fast forward twice, and then I got my adjacency. Okay, so this is meaning loading full. That's very good. So now let's go to Eagle. So let's copy this one now in ISP. That will match something on Eagle. Now we need to go to Eagle. And we're going to get router OSPF 1 and 10.10.10.0.0003. Paste. Click on top and press enter. And I'm going to click fast forward twice. 1, 2, boom. So that's really good. So now I'm going to do a quick show IP route. So do show IP route. This is the best thing when you're doing routing. Look, it picked up that remote network of 4. So now if we go to Zippy, I was in Eagle. Now go to Zippy, I should see the remote network of 0. That O represents OSPF. Do show IP routes. Once again, I see that. So now let's add in Zippy, it's 2 networks, then we'll check and see if it propagated to the other routers. All right, so let's go up here and copy these 2 on Zippy. Remember, you're only putting in the networks you want to share. So if there's a networks we don't want to share, we don't do network statements. All right, hit enter. Let's go here and do a quick do show IP routes. It picked them up already. So let's go over here. So once they converge and all the routers agree, it doesn't take long for them to add routes. So IP routes. You have to type SH when you say it. And once again, I see those 2 networks. So I see the remote 10.10.10.4, and then these 172.0.0 and 4.0. Now let's go add the last network here on Eagle. All right, so let's do a show IP route real quick. See how long it takes. So it's been added. So it does see the 192.168.0.0, and if we go to Zippy, do show IP route. Once again, I see. So if you count them up, you got 3. On this one, you have 2 O's and 3 C's. So if I count networks here, he's got 2 networks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 networks. And I have 5 networks. If I go to ISP, 5 networks. So this one knows 2 and it learned 3. This one knows 2 and learned 3. So you can count the total number of networks and it should add up with your directly connected and your dynamic routing. So I hope this helps. When you read the chapter, it becomes a little clearer. Have a great day.